Hi, come to iZone channel. When I first started exploring AI, I didn't imagine it could actually help me make real money. But believe me, I made my first $500 using only free AI tools. And no, it didn't happen overnight. It started with curiosity, a few hours of learning, and the right strategy. Let me tell you exactly how I did it, step by step. At first, I discovered tools that could generate content automatically. Articles, product descriptions, and even ad copy. I used ChatGPT and a few other free writing assistants to create engaging text for small business owners who wanted help with their websites and social media posts. I joined some online freelancing groups and offered to write content for them at affordable rates. Since AI made the work faster and easier, I could deliver multiple projects in a short time. That gave me my first small payments, but it also gave me confidence that AI was not just a tool, it was an opportunity. The next thing I learned was how powerful AI image tools could be. I started using free AI image generators like Leonardo AI and Playground AI to design social media banners, YouTube thumbnails, and promotional images. People always need quick designs for their channels and brands, but not everyone has time or design skills. I created a few examples using these AI tools, shared them on social media, and soon small creators started messaging me for custom work. I didn't need Photoshop or any expensive design software. AI did most of the work, and I just added my personal touch. Then I took it one step further. I combined both writing and design. Using AI tools, I created complete social media posts, captions, hashtags, and matching images. I offered these as ready-to-post content packs for small businesses. One client paid me $50 for a week's worth of posts. Another paid $100 for a full month of content. And slowly, order by order, that total added up to my first $500. It felt amazing because everything I used was free. Only my time, creativity, and AI tools. I didn't stop there. I realized you could also earn through platforms like Fiverr and Upwork without any upfront cost. So I created a few service listings offering AI-generated content creation and AI thumbnail design. Since I had samples ready, clients could see the quality immediately. Within a few days, I got my first real order. AI helped me finish the work in half the time, and the client loved the result. That gave me a 5-star review, which made more people trust my services and order again. The real secret is not in having expensive tools or special training, it's in using what's already available for free. AI gives you the ability to create faster, think smarter, and deliver more value with less effort. Whether it's writing, designing, or even video creation, there's a free tool for everything. You just need to learn how to use them together. So if you were watching this and wondering if it is really possible to make money with free AI tools, the answer is absolutely yes. Start with one skill, maybe writing or designing, and let AI amplify your results. Offer your work to small businesses, content creators, or even your local market. With consistency and creativity, you'll see how those small payments start turning into real income. That's how I made my first $500 using only free AI tools. No investments, no fancy gear, just the power of AI and a bit of hard work. If you want to start today, check out the free tools I've mentioned in the description. Try them, experiment, and don't stop until your first $500 becomes your first $5,000. And remember, this is just the beginning. Every week I share powerful and practical AI tools that can help you earn more, save time, and grow your online business. So don't forget to subscribe to AI Zone and hit the bell icon, because the next tool I'll show you might be the one that changes your life.